Come and listen, good people, wherever you are. Come and hear a sad story you've been waiting for. About the flood of 57 as it happened to be in Kentucky, old Virginia, and East Tennessee. How the rains came down, as we often have seen, to swell a large river or some little stream. But this one was different, and we soon realized that the floods were raging and we fought for our lives. Praying as never before, as the high muddy waters came in through their door. Some were left homeless, their life savings gone, but their lives had been spared and the cold rains came on. Little babies were crying and others were sad, for in all of their life they'd seen nothing so bad. But the brave and the strong were there by their door to help the sick and needy to safety on the shore. How we all escaped it, I never will know. Must have been God's will, it was not time to go. By the help of His mercy, some managed to smile and face a disaster as the waters raged wild. Would you make welcome over here on the big upright bass to my far right, Mr. Mike Combs from over and around Hyman, Kentucky. And standing right here next to me, playing rhythm guitar right behind me on my right, would you please make welcome Mr. Mitchell Shepard from over around Hueyville. And over here to my far left, from over around Hyman, Kentucky, he's played with the big shots out there. Would you please make welcome Mr. Orban Sloan. And certainly last, but he's one of the best I've ever played with. Would you please make welcome from down in around Lawrence County on the lead guitar, Mr. Stevie Hall. My name's Donald Ray, and we're the Bear Fork Mountain Boys. And we'd like to do you one now that my wife wrote. She lost her sister due to drugs, and she wrote this song hoping no one else would have to lose a family member like she did. It's one called A Loved One on the Hillside. Stevie, would you kick it off for me? Cocaine, Oxycontin, and the methadone pill has proven so